Welcome back to Local Edition. Many local businesses have accepted CertifiCheck gift certificates for years, but right now you might have to hold on to those certificates instead of using them. The Ohio-based company responsible for administrating and processing the CertifiChecks recently ceased operations and announced that they're filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. At least one local chamber of commerce has urged local businesses not to accept the CertifiCheck gift certificates during this uncertain time. Businesses are also being advised not to deposit the checks as they'll be returned. Consumers in possession of CertifiChecks are being asked to hold them until further notice. For additional information about the status of the CertifiCheck program locally, you can contact the Leadington and Scottville Chamber of Commerce at 231-845-0324. Well, that does wrap up this local edition. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
If you have a news story you think would be of interest to the community, email us at news@local-edition.com or call 842-0188.